Here I've got DOOGEE Mix, and let me show you how to activate battery saver on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's open the settings. Then find and select battery. And here you will notice battery saver. Simply click on it to open, and if you would like to activate it now, simply tap on the switcher over here. And from now on, your power saving mode is active. As you can see, red lines indicates that low power solution is on, and then if you'd like to switch it off, simply click on the same icon one more time. Then if you'd like to set some rule to turn on automatically this mode, simply click on turn on automatically, and now you can pick either 5 or 15% of the battery. Let me pick 15, and as you can see, from now on, every time your battery is lower than 15%, power saving mode will be automatically activated, and that will definitely improve your battery life. And that would be all. This is how you can activate and use power saving mode in your DOOGEE Mix. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.